Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about Bliss e-learning platform software. Bliss e-learning platform software by Danny Adjun plus OTO upsell download is fully automated Udemy like e-learning platform plus 100 plus done for you software in 50 profitable niches. Bliss to start selling and making money immediately without having to create anything yourself. In a nutshell, Bliss Review is the worldwide e-learning market is projected to be worth $3 to $5 billion in 2025. The worldwide e-learning market is projected to be worth $398 billion by 2026, and it's no secret that the courses are the hardest thing in going. Experts believe that the pandemic has sped up the adoption of the technology in education by up to 10 years, and this change is irreversible. The Indian e-learning platform An Academy has raised $150 million from Facebook and other investors recently, increasing their valuation to $1.4 billion. This EdTech app has over 30 million registered users. In order to do that, you obviously need the things that you can sell. And we have got you more than covered with 25 done for you video courses in 25 skill niches. You can start with right now. You don't even have to set any of them up. They are all ready to go in a matter of minutes and with zero setup time on your part. Of course, you can adjust them, add your own or others as well. Bliss Upsell comes jam packed with these amazing features benefits. Quiz and certificates. Bliss supports advanced quiz and live classes. Live classes instructor can sell their live classes on Bliss. Bliss download supports Zoom, Just and Google Meet live class links. Browse course portal. Students browse the course portal and choose what to learn. Filter courses. Browse courses and filtering criteria like category, price, level, language, and rating. Course page. Course detail page contains course summary, lessons list, instructor detail, rating with review, and purchase link. Course lesson player. Advanced course playing page well organized with lessons instructions. Course type preview. Duration, full screen view, lesson completion, mark available for students, and many more features. You can earn money by different methods like advertising, banner and pre-roll, mid-roll, and post-roll videos. Gamification badges. You can define badges for different metrics like sales, registration days, courses, purchases, ratings, etc. When users achieve them, you can award them free charge or extra communication rates. It also supports custom badges, which allows you to create personalized badges according to your need. Create your own beautiful learning sites and sell courses online in minutes and more. Bliss is an all-in-one solution for creating online education marketplaces like Udemy, Skillshare, Coursera, etc. The potential of this 374 billion dollar industry is not hidden from anyone. You can modestly make a 6 or 7 digit profitable income for rest of your life using this free method course. And the best thing is that the e-learning space is only going to boom in the years to come, so that means a steady increase in your profit with each passing year, and you get to ditch the tiring work of creating courses, uploading them, collecting payments, in handing a huge team, and all sorts of mundane things. Blessed Crude OTO is life changing in every sense of the word, and you can turn your profit graph and from downside up. The platform is packed with lots of awesome features like online courses, live classes, quizzes, and an advanced certification plugin based on a real business needs, so you can start your online education business right now. If you purchase from my link, I am going to provide you free ebooks. So just contact me on my Instagram ID, send me a screenshot of your payment proof that you have purchased your product through my link, and I will send you ebook link. Thank you.